welcome to Coding Bus. In this video, we are going to learn about nested loops. So, what is meant by nested loops? Nested loop means a loop in a loop. Okay, let's give an example for better understanding. Int I equal to 1. Let's take one loop while I less than or equal to 5. Okay, I plus plus. This loop will execute 5 times. In this loop, I will take one variable and one loop j. J is less than or equal to 5. Let's print my name here, Kanishka, then j plus plus. Okay, what is going on here is, first of all, I value will be 1, then it will enter into this loop, then j value will be 1 here, then it will enter into this loop and it will print Kanishka as one time, then j value will be 2 and it will print again, j value will be 3 and it will print again, it will print 5 times Kanishka. Then it will get out of this loop and it will comes here, then I value will be 2, then it will go back and here it will check 2 is less than or equal to 5, then it will enter into this loop and j value will be 1 again, so it will print again 5 times. For I value equal to 3, it will print again 5 times. For I value equal to 4, again it will print 5 times. For I value equal to 5, again it will print 5 times. For I value equal to 6, here 6 is not less than or equal to 5, therefore it is false, therefore it comes out of the loop. Here for one time this loop is executing 5 times. Okay, for I value equal to 1, it was executing while loop as 5 times. Okay, now I value equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 times. This loop is executing 25 times, therefore the output will Kanishka as 25 times. Here look at this, Kanishk is printed 25 times. Okay guys, thank you guys.